Hey, welcome once again. So I'm going to show you on how you can prevent people from hotspotting once they're connected with the hotspot. So you can do this, or Ethernet, or tethering the internet. So we can just come here, and on your hotspot you can confirm the bridge that has been assigned for the hotspot. You can see from servers, interfaces is the MikroTik bridge. So by doing that, you need to create like something like a firewall that will prevent people from hotspotting, and this is how you do it. You can come here at hotspot, at IP firewall, then go to mangle. Then on mangle, you can click here, add a new mangle rule, then choose the chain as post routing. Then remember the output interface, choose the interface that is connected with the hotspot. And so in this case it's MikroTik bridge, and then come here to action, then choose here change TTL. Then here you will the new TTL will remove it as which is 0 by default, then set it as 1, then click here as apply. So after that you can just drag it to the top, or you can just leave it here, or here you can try. So you can just leave it here by default, or other cases will not find this rule has been set on the MikroTik. So after that you can test it, and there will be no hotspotting on your hotspot services. So it will prevent people from tethering once they buy. So only one device that has by the internet, or only one device that has internet is the one that will have internet. But when he tries to hotspot in that device, the user who is trying to access the Wi-Fi or is trying to access the internet will not be given internet. So see you in the next video.